Do you believe in order to double the results in your business, you have to double the time and energy you put into it? Or have you resigned yourself to working hard, grinding things out, knowing that getting to that next level just isn't attainable? I'm Michael Lynch. I've been searching for the answers to those questions ever since I became a solopreneur. I'm hosting a workshop, and I want to share with you what I've learned about the concept of operating at a 10x level and relying exclusively on your natural, unique abilities. Who is this for? I invite all business owners to attend. I invite aspiring business owners, of which there are a lot of people out there thinking about taking that next step, and this is an important thing to learn out of the gate. Also, I invite people that are in sales who can really gain a competitive advantage by understanding what I'm going to share in this meeting. You know, in order to double the output, you must double the time and energy put into it. That is what's called the 2x mindset. A lot of people operate there. I know I have. What that does ultimately is it affects negatively your health. It affects the quality of your intimate relationship, and it really inhibits the focus and energy that you can put on a sustaining level to be an entrepreneur. Here's what's going to be talked about in this workshop that I host. Number one, how it is that you can define your unique abilities. Once you do that and you start communicating with that, your life will change forever. We're going to talk about how to create collaborative opportunities. That's part of the theme to the 10X model. And how collaboration and delegation are going to be what takes you from potentially a 2X situation to create 10X results. Please register. You see the date on the video here. There'll be a link adjacent to this video, below the video, and I ask you to please register. You know, now is the time to throw out the old, outdated, conventional wisdom and embrace this opportunity to be inspired and fulfilled and purposeful as an entrepreneur or salesperson. God bless you. Look forward to meeting you. Take care.